Hello, people. So I am recording from my cute little home in, uh, you know, in Hyderabad. I'll leave it at that. So I just got back from Pista House, and see, I brought myself my pizza, and I'll just be sitting alone and eating. But the thing is, today being a Sunday, normally Sundays I feel really low and all, but see, with the passage of time, anything starts getting better. So I mean, it's amazing that it's a Sunday, but I'm just so happy. I'll be watching something on Netflix, and really, if you trust the God above, He always has a plan. No matter how bad something might seem, give it time and it'll get better. So, on that note, I'll begin eating my choco lava cake and just generally be very happy because normally Sundays I'm very low, and those of you who are following my vlogs will know why. I don't want to repeat it and all. But yeah, so this after long I'm recording in at home, the Sunday evening, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi, people. Life is good. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.